There is a specific kind of panic that hits when your home internet drops at 2 in the morning. You are just trying to check on a sleeping newborn. You find yourself staring at a loading circle on your smartphone waiting for an app to reconnect while your heart rate spikes in the dark. This is exactly why a growing number of parents are ditching the high-tech, cloud-connected gadgets for something that feels almost old school. I have been digging into these video monitors that completely bypass the Wi-Fi. They create a direct, closed connection between the camera and the parent unit. It is refreshingly simple in an age where every light bulb seems to need a password. You just take it out of the box, plug it into the wall, and it works instantly. There are no accounts to create. You do not have to worry about a stranger hacking into your nursery feed through a security hole in your router. It is just a private signal between you and your baby. When you are operating on 4 hours of broken sleep, the last thing you want to troubleshoot is a firmware update or a signal drop. You just want to see that tiny chest moving. Now, let us be honest about the visual quality. This is not going to look like a blockbuster movie on a big screen. It is a bit grainy. The colors are not going to win any awards. It looks more like a basic security feed than a modern phone screen. But here is the reality. It is exactly what you need. The night vision is crisp enough to see if their eyes are wide open. You can see if they have managed to kick their blankets off for the 5th time that hour. Some models even let you remotely pan and tilt the lens. That is a massive help when you have a toddler who likes to migrate to the very edge of the crib during the night. You also get a two-way talk feature. You can press a button and whisper a few words to try and settle them down. You do this without actually walking into the room and risking them seeing you. Sometimes that little voice through the speaker is all they need to drift back off. There are even sensors for the room temperature and a few built-in lullabies. You might not use the music every night, but knowing the nursery is not getting too cold while you are asleep provides a massive sense of relief. There is a catch though. The battery life is not exactly a powerhouse. If you leave the screen on the highest brightness all evening, it is going to run out of juice fast. Most people end up just leaving the monitor plugged in on their nightstand. It is not the best choice if you need to carry the screen around the yard all day without a cord. Also, because there is no internet connection, you cannot check the camera while you are at the store. You cannot check it while sitting in the office. It only works within the range of your own 4 walls. For many, that is a deal breaker. For others, that is the entire appeal. You are paying for a tool that does one job without a monthly subscription or a privacy headache. It feels sturdy, but it is definitely not a luxury product. It is a practical, no-nonsense solution for parents who are exhausted by tech that is too smart for its own good. It is about finding a little bit of quiet confidence in a house that is currently anything but quiet. If you want the sharpest possible image or remote access from 5 miles away, you will need to spend a lot more money. But if you want to keep things simple and secure, this brand makes a lot of sense. It is basic. It is reliable. It just gets the job done when you need it most.